standing is never turned back. Gleipnir is broken, the fetters are dust. No more for the gods and their silver of trust. With jaws like the mountains, with teeth like a spear. He's feeding on terror, he's feeding on fear. The blood in the snow is a river of red, as the chains of the Aesir are finally shed. Run for the hills or prepare for the fight. The jaws of the winter are closing tonight. Wolves hunger, the beast is free, swallowing light and the world that we see. Fenrir is rising, the chains fall away. The dawning of chaos, the end of the day. Fiddle is screaming a melody wild for the father of monsters, the Loki-born child. Faster than lightning, colder than ice, payment for tire and his hands sacrifice. The drums are a heartbeat that's fueled by the hate, a rhythm of ruin, a rhythm of fate. The sun is his prize and the moon is his prey, wiping the stars and the heavens away. So listen to howling that echoes so deep, waking the gods from their cowardly sleep. The blast beats are hammers, the guitars are a gale, making the heroes turn withered and pale. The hunger is endless, the hunger is king. Of the death of the cosmos, the shadows will sing. Fenrir has